Hi there. Are you interested in downloading your data from X, Twitter, on PC? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that. Step 1. First things first, click or tap the More icon in the main navigation menu to the left of your timeline. This will open up a menu with various options. Step 2. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can adjust your account settings and privacy settings. Step 3. Now choose Your Account. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage your account information. Step 4. Next, select Download an archive of your data. This option is located under the Account section. Step 5. Confirm your password by entering it in the prompt box. Once you've entered your password, select Request Archive. And that's it. You've successfully requested a download of your data from X, Twitter, on PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.